Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. By the way, I'm not sure when you're getting this, but on Kramer's Mad Money tonight, he's using some of my work for his off the chart segment, and I'm talking about ADI, analog digital. You'll have to check that out to see everything that I'm saying. And, if you haven't recorded it, and, most people tend not to, you can always catch it on CNBC's website or YouTube TV, which is remarkably good. Anyway, I want to talk about Coinbase here today. The SEC, otherwise known as the jackbooted thugs of the government, has kind of had it in for basically anything and everything crypto. And their latest little foray into intimidation was against Coinbase, where they came out with a Wells notice, which effectively just told the company, hey, we're looking into you. We're not really sure if we like what we see. So you better watch out. You better not cry. We might be looking at you later and bringing charges, but we ain't going to tell you why. The SEC is coming whenever. Brace yourselves. It'll only hurt for a minute. That's what they're doing with the Wells notice. So the stock dumps, right? It takes a dump here. Okay, but bounces off the 50. Next day, up even higher. Nobody seems to give a rip about the Wells notice. Now it's back down. Well, guess what? People still don't give a rip about the Wells notice because it came back and retraced the bounce, but it stabilized. Where? Right around the 50-day moving average. And that's where we are now. So this is the way I'm looking at this stock. First of all, if something more comes of that, if the SEC winds up suing Coinbase, then the stock's gonna, it'll take another dive. You got to be aware of that. I've read some articles about it, and my crypto market mentor and sidekick, Scott McGregor, knows a lot more about the Coinbase debacle. He's probably the most knowledgeable guy in the crypto space that I know of. And by the way, will be starting a crypto market mentor resource for those who are interested in crypto in the not too distant future. But Scott feels like this is a pretty good support line here at $60 or so. And as long as the stock stays above the 200-day moving average, then it's all good. Now, for me, I would actually give the stock a little more room than that, because I see the trading range that it's in, and this would be a heck of a dump, but it would really, in my view, need to come down below this low, which is at 51, before I would say, I think this whole thing was a fake out. And do the math. Like, that's almost 20%. So this is not, just put a tight stop in here and it's all good. No, I would never put a 20% stop on anything. I'm just talking about actually analyzing the chart, not, setting up your trade. So if you are interested in Coinbase, I do think this is a good time to buy it. And you just want to make sure that you do have, according to my compadre, Scott, you want to have a stop, I would say, right about there. Okay, that's all I got for you. Members, I kind of did a deep dive on on the market and also our active trade ideas, many of which are pulling back a bit, which is why I suggested some profit taking earlier today. So, and if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, you may want to give it a try. There's a trial period. So if you like it, great. If you don't, that's okay too. All right. All right. See you guys next time.